Super excited as I got my new Raspberry Pi 4 which has inbuilt Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, decent RAM of 4GB and 1.5 GHz quad-core processor, pretty good to handle my image processing tasks and GPIO controls. Inspired by Spot Robot, I wanted to create something that could move forward, backward, left and right depending on face motion. So started modeling my robot in Fusion 360. After working on detailings, finally the design was ready. And finally began with 3D printing process. This 3D printing task took a couple of days, quite boring. I started with the most confusing part, connections of wired circuits. Finally, after 3D printing of all parts, assembling done, connections done, and the robot was all set to move. Software part used most common OpenCV library for real-time computer vision. In the Python script, I imported CV2, used Haar cascade algorithm to identify faces, and that was a quite old school approach. For the robot to identify whether a person is closer or far, just wrote some line of code and calculated the length of the box. As the length increases, the person is closer, and as it decreases, the person is far. For the robot to yaw on the horizontal axis, I just used simple maths, calculated the median of the box. Depending on how far the median moves from the center of the frame, the robot will move towards left or right. And again, setting the threshold was quite experimental and took my few hours. For the robot to move, I used L298 DC motor driver, connected it to the GPIO pins of RPi and then wrote some functions for forward, backward, left and right movements and some functions to adjust duty cycles. Now let's upload the code into RPi and check the results. The response is quite good, but the image processing speed can be further improved by using algorithms of TensorFlow Lite wherein it uses 8-bit integer type values rather than 32-bit floating point values. Or the second option is to use edge computing devices like Google Coder for fast image processing.